Hi friends, this is Mohammed and welcome back again to the 15th Programming in C language tutorials. In this session, we shall discuss about your file handling. This is the most important topic in the C program. We are already familiar with the files. We are accessing daily in our life. We are accessing files like text files, document files and such other files. Similarly, in the C program, we shall see how to handle the files. In the earlier, we are storing the data or the information for the temporary purposes. That means if we are giving the value, it will store the temporary purposes until the program exists. But now we are going to store the data or information for the permanent purposes with the help of the file. That means in the sense we are going to access the file whenever we want from the disk. There are different types of operations to be performed on the files. First is going to create a new file or opening a existing file, reading a file and writing a file, moving a specific location in a file, that is seeking a file, and at last we are going to close a file. These are the modes of your operation to be performed in your file, that is reading mode or writing mode or appending mode. You can see in the screen. Now we shall see how to create a file or open a file. Before we are going to read or write the information from the file, we must open the file. That means we must open or create a new file if it doesn't exist. To open the file, we are going to use the function called fopen function. This fopen function will open the file if already exists, or if doesn't exist in the disk, it will create a new file. It would open a file like fpr1.c in the read mode operation, which tells that to the C compiler that we would be reading the contents of the file. Note that R is a string and not a character. The syntax of the fopen function is fopen, file name and the modes. Now we shall see how to read a file. Once file will be opened, we can read the file by using fopen function. We can open the file, and to read the function we can use getC function. First, the file contents are brought into the buffer. That means to the temporary memory, and the pointer is set to the first character in the buffer. For example, ch equal to fgetC of fp. That is, ch is the character declaration and fp refers to the file declaration. Let me see later what is meant by fp. Now let me see how to write a file. To write a file content, there a function exists called fputC function. This is function will put the character by character in the file. So writing the file continuously till all the characters from the source file would be returned to the target file. Example, ch equal to fputC, that is fp comma c program. At last we are going to closing a file. When we have reading or writing finished, we need to close it. That means we are going to close the file after reading or writing a file. This is done by using the function called fclose function. This fclose function will close the file. Once we close the file, we have no longer to read or write the file unless we reopen the file. Note that to close the file, we should not use the file name but the file pointer, that is fp. On closing the file, the buffer associated with the file would be removed from the memory. This is the example program for the file. We shall see in the compiler. Now go to file and create a new file. This is the file handling. Hash include standard input output.h, hash include on input output.h. Now main, this is file declaration, fp, next to character, switch here character, yes of 50, suppose 50. Next, I am going to open a file with the help of your open function. That we shall file poem.txt. This is a file we are going to create text file in the write mode operation. Next, we are checking the condition ft is equal to null. Then this file cannot be opened. Now enter the few lines. This is the line. Can percentage yes, comma yes. Right. While up to this string length get of yes, that is yes variable, from the yes variable up to the last f quotes. That means I am going to put the character in the file. That is what yes, comma file pointer. Next f word. This is the new line in the file called f pointer. At last, I am going to close a file. Close with the help of file pointer. So this is the file handling program. Now go to file and save the program. This is the save file. That's the file handling. File handling. Right. Now let us come back to the program. I am declaring the file. This is the file pointer and not a normal pointer. And I am going to declare a character called yes variable, and I am going to open a file. If it doesn't exist, it will create a new file with the help of the writing mode. Now after creating a file, I am going to compare if the pointer, that is first pointer, is null. It will put the line, that is this file cannot be opened. It will display the command, that is this file cannot be opened, and exit. It will call the exit function from the library and it will exit the program. Otherwise, it will ask to enter the few lines. After getting the few lines from the user, it will check up to the last. It will get the character from the user and it will put the character in the file. This is the new line in the file, and at last, after writing the file, I am going to close the file with the help of f pointer. That we shall compile the program. Go to compile and compile the program. One warning is there, function should return a value. It is a warning, let leave as it is. Now go to run and run the program. It is asking to enter the four lines. Let's say hi. Yeah, it is exit. Now I am going to check the file. Go to computer, local disk C and turbo C++. This turbo C++ go to this and turbo C3 and go to bin folder. In this you can check poem.txt. So it doesn't return a line. It just create a file. Let's see if error is there. This is not a scanf, this is a, I don't know, it doesn't count. Now go to file and save the program. Now go to compile and compile. Just only one warning is there, leave as it is. Now go to run and run the program. Now enter the few lines. Hi, how are you? Why I doesn't see you? Most of the time. Thank you for coming. It is asking more few lines. If we give some more, yeah, it is finished. Now reload the program. Now go to same location, bin folder. In that you can see a poem text file. That is poem text file. Now open the file. You can see the string which you have written.